or good afternoon, everybody. It depends where you're watching this video. Today or tonight, I'm going to show you to showcase my CLI project, my gem. This is a simple project that I implemented, and I'm gonna start right away. So I call my project the gem or the CLI Stack Scrapper. The idea was simple. Every day, Stack Overflow.com, specifically the views questions, all questions, we have the possibility to see the new every day the new question that is being asked by the users. So when I take a look at that page and I see how it was set, and I find it very interesting. So you see the page, you have this main section, a section here, and this section is divided in three and four mini sections. The this section for the content, so you can get the question here, and you can get the number of votes, the number of answers, and the number of views. So the CLI that I have built can get you all the newest questions for the day, and you can get the question based on the number on the voted questions, the answered questions, and the viewed questions. So this is it. It's pretty simple. So now you see that I'm already inside my directory. The directory, when I have the file here, you can install it as a gem, because it is a gem actually, and you will have the description of the gem here. Gem Stack Scrapper, and you have the bundle. You have all the instruction that you need to install the gem. Now I will showcase how it works. Look, take a look here, and the project will start soon. Seems like it took longer than I expect. Okay, there you go. So it's pretty basic. I said, welcome to your stack. You can choose to display questions of the day and their attributes. Press 1 to display all the questions. 1, and you get the list of all of the current questions here. Alright. You can press 2 to display the answered question. So look, take a look. This part will show the number of answered, the answer. Alright. For example, you have extracting the data from HTML using Beautiful Soup. Alright. And you have 2 answers already for that question. And the list goes on and on and on. Alright. How to have smooth movements when inserting a new element. You have one answer for that question. This is pretty interesting. It's pretty useful to have this gem. You never know, actually. And for the third, display the viewed question. So you will get the question and the number of views, and 33 views. Wow, That question is pretty important. 33 views. And the to finish, we have the fourth question, to display the voted questions. So the voted question is pretty interesting. You can have a positive vote or a negative vote. Yes, like that. So normally the positive show that the show us that the question was useful at least for one person, and the negative vote show that the answer didn't didn't actually help to solve the problem. So yes, we also will take a look. We have all those negative vote. So this is pretty interesting to see actually. And that's it. That's wrap up my CLI project. So you do exit, and there you go. All right. And I already pushed my project in my repository, so you guys can check it out and contribute if you want. If you think this is very something interesting for you.